Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka Shillong College, menta katayo kala pelong ya kalempung Ïatai ka ba arsngi, Halor kapang kabaydai bat ka Naac Revised Accreditation Framework. Halor kamat pedeng ka baong, challenges and opportunities with special reference to the northeastern region. Ya kani kejelang banyatai Halor kani kaman, la pelong da ka IQAC jong ka Shillong College, ya ka bala baitingka da ka Chief Minister Voluntary Action Fund, bat ka Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan jong ka Sarkar Jilla, ya ka bala pelong nadu hanne ka sngi ka arpulai tereng, bat ka bankot la syai ka sngi ka arpsau tereng unailar. Ya kani kejelang la ple perda do Menteri Sarkar jong kani kejela ubadai khmi ya katnat pule puthi uba lakmen remboi ubaralong kongsan hakani kejelang. Ringkat ka jingran lang u Principal Secretary jong ka Sarkar Jilla ubadai khmi ya katnat pule puthi uba Donald P. Walang nang ta kino hikai bat kisamna pulie jong kani ka college. Hakani kejelang lawan sementaro de kiriu sempang hakalyang ka pule puthi kontop nadu ki barang dan hakakam bat ki balasong thait ru kumjo.
It is an opportunity for each and every college to show that they are capable of adapting to new rules and environment which come from time to time. Naac accreditation, as the Principal Secretary already mentioned, is very important because now as the Minister of Education in our state, many people come to me to request for help for their college in some way or other. I only tell them that until and unless you have a Naac accreditation, now it is very difficult for any government or government agency to come forward and help you. More importantly, now we know that the government is trying to bring about the change in the administering of the higher education institution in the country by bringing the Higher Education Council, which may happen in a few years or few months' time, we don't know. And who knows, when this council comes, the new rules may say that only, because what is the government of India thinking is that we have enough colleges, more than 40 colleges we have in our countries, and more than 11,000 standalone colleges in our countries. We have enough, but we have less quality college in our country. The government may have to share its own responsibility that we didn't monitor the college well or the school, and the college also may say that we have done our work. But from the result, until and unless we produce the quality student which could compete at the national level, I think we're still lacking behind. So this is an opportunity for us through this Naac assessment every 5 years. This will improve how to innovate, how to equip our students in the current scenario where the competition is very high. Otherwise, many of the colleges in our state produce the unemployable graduate, which become, instead of being assets of society, it become a nuisance for the society, because out of frustration, as Mr. Mahesh just mentioned, out of hopelessness, sometimes they take the different role. That's why I have seen that, we have seen that in the present scenario in the state, I mean not only in the state, even in the country, there are so many students, so many youth commit suicide. Why? Maybe something wrong somewhere. So education from primary to the higher education, we have a large responsibility how to equip our students also to face not only the challenge in competition ahead, but how to live in the future life. This is very important.